Hi guys, it's another Team Up Tuesday with Amanda, and today we are flip-flopping and I am doing my worst products from subscription boxes and she's doing her best products from subscription boxes. So if you want to see what made the cut for the worst products that I've received, just keep watching. We're getting into it right now. If you want to see what I'm getting rid of from subscription boxes, let's go ahead and get started. And probably on everyone's top of the list products is, so let's just go ahead and get this one out of the way so that we don't even have to waste any time on it. The first thing that I'm just going to go ahead and chunk, I did put this on my hand and it didn't seem to be too terribly bad, but you know, I'm not going to use this, so let's just go ahead and throw this away and get rid of it. And that is the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer, the Facacia, however, I don't even know how you say this, but this is the one that so much drama surrounded from BOXY. So I'm definitely getting rid of this one because I just don't know what the deal is with this product, who actually made this product, where it actually came from. So since I don't know about it, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. The next product is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I'm definitely getting rid of this. I did a look with this in a collab with Becca's Beauty Channel. Hi Becca. And Beauty by Angela. Hi Angela. And guys, I have so many palettes and I felt like that this palette just did not perform well. So I just felt like that the palette was patchy. I felt like that the shadows did not hold their own integrity. I felt like whenever they blended together, and the colors that I used were, I know I got this color. I got this color, maybe this color and this color. I can't remember exactly, but I just felt like the green was terrible choice. I just felt like that these colors, whenever they blended together, they went to kind of a poop brown color on me. And I just have so many other palettes that I can pull from that are better palettes than this. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. I was not happy with this palette when I did the look. I know myself, I'm not going to pull for this palette again. That experience is going to be in my mind. I'm not going to waste my time. When I go to make a look, I want it to turn out great. This is not going to be a palette that I pull from. I am not happy with this palette. I'm decluttering it. And that came out of BOXY. And usually the Ace Beauty palettes are really good. I loved the other palette that was with this one. The pink one was really good, but this one I do not like. So I'm definitely getting rid of that. This palette is a Midi palette in Toasted Cashmere. I think I bought this maybe in the charm shop, or either this came in a box. I'm not sure, but I do not reach for this palette. I do not pull for this palette. It has Rodeo Drive, which I have in a large full size, so I already have that one. I don't reach for this bronzer. It's a little bit too deep for me. And I do not reach for this blush, so I'm going to declutter that one. I got the Wondrous palette from the Tribe Beauty box or BOXY. I can't remember what box I got this from, but I actually never pull for this, and I really hate the pan size in this. You can't get your brush into it well. It's so small. I just hate the layout of this palette. I never pull for it. I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to declutter that. The Ayyyeee Masqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. I'm not going to pull for this. It's a very jelly type gel. I don't like the consistency of it, and I just did not get along with this very well, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter that. The Butter London palette. Maybe Boxy Charm. I don't like this palette at all. It's not a standalone palette for me, so I never pull for this. Don't like it. Decluttering. Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. Menthol and green tea tone firm smooth pre-workout activator. I'm not going to rub something like this on my body before I work out. If and when I work out, I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to get rid of this. FabFitFun Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I need something to make me sleep better, but I really don't like lavender. I don't like the scent of lavender, and this one has lavender in it. Getting rid of that. I don't like lavender. I've talked about this one before, the Trestique mascara that has the lash curler on the end that doesn't fit your whole entire eye. This one just is scary to me. I don't like this one, so I'm getting rid of this. This has been in my declutter pile for a while. I just haven't decluttered it yet. The Tarte, this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I am never going to use this palette. This palette is mostly shimmers and only has one matte, and besides all that, it's boring. I'm never going to use this palette, so I'm going to declutter it. And then another thing that I got in a box, I don't know what box this was, but this, I want to think this was in FabFitFun, and this is Pure Cosmetics, but not the pure like we know. It's pure as in P-U-R-E Cosmetics, and this is a Sonic Lash Vibrating Mascara. That just screams unsafe to me. It says that it lengthens 3 times the volume, separates water-resistant magnification mirror. It says turn it on, and the brush does it also. The brush is actually moving and vibrating. I will end up poking my eye out with this, so I'm definitely decluttering this because this is really unsafe for me. I don't even know how this passed a regulation test, because women like me will poke their eye out with this. So definitely getting rid of this. I do not know how many products. I'm probably past the 10, but also I am getting rid of lipsticks. I'll just show you one, but I've got a bunch. But lipsticks that I know I'm never going to use. For example, this is the Belle and Argent cream lipstick. I don't know why they send us all of these lipsticks that are horrendous colors that we're never going to use. even though I try them on and see. But, you know, I've got several of these bright pinks, horrible oranges, although I do like orange lipsticks. Like, if you want to send me one, like Puffin from the Mel Thompson collab, I love that shade. There's one by Becca in the Ultimate Lipstick Love that looks like Puffin. You know, I'm totally down with that. But, you know, things that are too dark for me, things that are too bright for me, things that are too off shade chili pepper for me, you know, but those are the ones that I always get, like this one. All of that I'm getting rid of. This is a Hank and Henry black and gray. And I know it's great to have a black, deep black shade. The problem is it's right next to this bright glittery shade, and the glitter transfers over into the black, and so that's not good. And then the other thing that's down here is this, I don't even know what, but it gets everywhere like I just dropped it. And so, like, this is a hot mess product, bad packaging, don't like it. It gets everywhere, it spills everywhere, and then I've got all of this glow mess everywhere, so totally getting rid of that. Don't like it. It's just, ugh, everywhere. Like, I'm done with Hank and Henry too. Like, ilk. Like, ugh. Over Hank and Henry. So over Hank and Henry. And, ugh. So, little rant on Hank and Henry. My last box from them was like, ugh, like terrible. Oh, worst box ever received. But anyway, those are my worst products from subscription boxes. Actually, not so bad, I guess, for my declutter as far as my products, whenever you consider most of the boxes that I get. Sometimes I do send out products here and there in my winner packages, and as in when someone wins something on my channel, I'll slip in something here, something there that may not work for me, but that I think is a good product nonetheless. So yeah, but these I don't think anybody would want. So those are the ones that I'm decluttering. And let me know in the comments below, is there anything that you've decluttered? Because that might be something that I've just forgotten about that I need to go back and clean my stash out of too. So let me know, is there any products that you've received in your subscription boxes that you hate, that you've decluttered? If you can remember anything, let me know in the comments below, because chances are I hate it too, and I need to go clean out my stash from that as well, and it's just something that I've missed. I am on the declutter, clean out, shopping my stash phase of my collection right now, and I am cleaning out all of my Alex drawers, and I'm in a mass undertaking of my collection right now. So let me know while I am in the middle of all of this mayhem in my collection right now. I'd love to hear from you, and let me know how things are going in your neck of the woods. I'd love to hear from you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to be, it's really easy. You know what to do. Just click the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you won't miss a thing. And I look so forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah! Smooches, everybody. Bye-bye. Till next time.